I was working in the oil and gas industry for about 6 years. My heart was never really in it. When I discovered you could design things for a living, it was a no-brainer. I've always been a bit of a maker and always liked to improve things. The products absolutely have to look pretty, but that's only one part of it. The simpler something looks, the harder it is to make.
I started a different degree, but a couple of years in, I realised that it wasn't really the one for me. And I had always just been looking at, what can I do with art? Communication design is essentially about solving problems and choosing the right solution for that problem. I think in the few years I've been at university, I've definitely grown as a person. I'm more confident to step outside of my comfort zone and do some things that I probably wouldn't have done if I wasn't at university.
When I grew up, especially, there was almost a stigma about pursuing a creative path. I want my kids to see that it's a viable angle to head into as a professional. Art is a very liberating thing to do. If you have the determination to really push yourself, then it's an incredibly rewarding profession to step into.
I definitely feel like I made the right choice studying design here at UniSA. I'm already working in the industry and loving it.
Looking back to where I was in first year, I'm definitely a much better designer than I was then. I am career ready, looking forward to going out into the workplace now.
You gotta do what sings to you, and if that's a creative path, then go for it.